Madison.
Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. Oh, that's so cute. That's a good picture. That's so cute. Aw. Come here. She got one too.
Oh my god. I'm gonna poop bagel. I'm getting out of there. No, no.
Come here. Come here. Oh. Oh no.
What are you doing?
It's almost like he's hurt.
Oh my gosh, the other one's hiding. Look. Oh, there
Oh, hey Madison, do not move your feet. There's one under between your feet.
What?
There's one between your feet. Don't move. Okay.
He's like, I like your shoes.
Oh, hi.
Is he biting hard or is he just gnawing?
Look at this 3 birds over here.
Okay.
Oh, they're all friends.
Hey, come here.
You might want to make sure which one it was that was nice.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool! That is such a good picture.
Oh my gosh.
That is so cool. Come here.
Just hold out your hand again. They're all gone.
Yeah.
Pick up your cap.